The hat. Make 2 hats, one red and one green. We'll demonstrate the green one. Take out the green yarn. Work into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Make loop around your middle finger. Pinch the crossover. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Yarn hook. Pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's 1 chain stitch. Then work 6 crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then yarn hook. Pull through both loops on hook. That's 1 single crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch of every round, through the underneath of the V shape. Okay. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six crochets are done. Pull this yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert hook into this marking stitch. Hook the yarn and pull up loop. Then pull the first loop through the second loop. Make sure to tighten up when you work the slip stitch. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 increase twice. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Let's start. 1 chain stitch. The first set, 2 single crochets. Also mark the first stitch. Work 1 more single crochet. Next, 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One set is done. Work 1 more set, 1 single crochet and 1 increase in turn. Remove the marker. Work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch. And then work 8 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. After 1 chain stitch, then work 8 single crochets. Remember to mark the first stitch. Continue to work 7 more single crochets. Remove the marker. 1 snip stitch in this mark stitch. Okay. Round 3 is done. In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 4 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. The first set, 1 single crochet. Also mark the first stitch. One increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Okay, 1 set is done. Keep working 3 more sets. We work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Remove the marker. Work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch. And then work 12 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Mark the first stitch. Please finish round 5 by yourself. Work 1 chain stitch, 12 single crochets, and 1 snip stitch. Round 5 is done.